Hello guys, today we are going to write a program which will return numbers from 1 to 100 which are divisible with 5 and not with 7. Okay? So everything we are going to do is going to be in for loop and that's it. So let's do this. Okay? First of all, we want to write for loop. So let's for new variable int e, it's the same 1, good. Then let's say e is smaller or the same 100, good. And e plus plus, good. Now let's say first if statement, if e module with 7 not the same 0, then we are going to go in this if statement and look for another statement. So let's go. So if is this true, we have to ask also if e module 5 is the same 0. Okay, good. And let's say back here and let's say count e and let's say space, so we don't, okay, like this, and that's it. Okay, we have for loop is going to go 100 times, and every time it goes it's going to ask first if e module 7 is not the same 0, and if this is true, it's going to ask if e module 5 is the same 0, and if it is, it's going to count it on the screen, so print it on the screen. So let's see if this works. Okay, good. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, look at this, 35 divisible with 7, and it's not here. So this program works. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it, and for more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks.